Good morning. I am Mia. I am Leo. I am hungry. Here is an apple. The apple is red. Ah! The apple is blue. Blue? Apples are not blue. Blue? Sorry. A glitch. Blue apple. Yuck. Look, Leo. Say it with me. The apple is... No, blue. The apple is red. Oh? The apple is red. You fixed it. Everybody makes mistakes. Red apple. Yummy. Bye-bye.